We continue progressing in this ZIA Agents course. In this tutorial, we will explore the main advantages and the actual scope of the platform. The idea is that by the end, you will have a clear understanding of why ZIA Agents can become a strategic partner for your business. One of ZIA Agents' greatest strengths is its native integration with Zoho applications. This is made possible thanks to predefined APIs. You don't have to develop anything from scratch, just select the functions your agent should handle. For example, querying and updating leads, contacts, and tasks in CRM, reading metrics from campaigns, or interacting with Desk to organize tickets. With just a few clicks, the agent is connected to the entire Zoho ecosystem. Another key advantage is speed. In just 2 hours of work, you can have a functional agent. And the best part, you don't need programming knowledge. The platform offers a user-friendly, visual, point-and-click interface that makes creating an agent accessible even for non-technical users. Imagine the impact. No lengthy development projects, no complex integrations. Just setup and testing. Before we continue, a quick message from our sponsors.
Learn while AI works for you. With our agents and the Enterprise Manager portal, your company connects, learns, and makes decisions in real time. Automate reports, integrate data, and turn clicks into value. InterConnecta Academy, knowledge that drives innovation.
Thank you for taking a moment. Let's continue with the class. ZIA Agents is not a single, rigid agent. You can define different roles for each team. A sales agent who manages leads and opportunities, a support agent who organizes open cases, an operations agent who analyzes metrics and updates tasks. This allows the tool to be tailored to the specific needs of each area, speeding up adoption and multiplying value. A fundamental thing to understand is that ZIA Agents can work with a human-in-the-loop approach. What does this mean? It means you can decide when the agent should request approval before executing a critical action, such as changing the status of a deal or deleting a record. This provides you with security and control while leveraging automation in all other repetitive tasks. The combination of native integration, speed, and flexibility results in a direct benefit. In less than 3 hours of implementation, your company can already achieve a tangible ROI. Less time spent on manual tasks. More up-to-date data in the CRM, and better business decisions thanks to reliable information. In summary, ZIA Agents not only provides you with speed and ease of use, but also allows you to create custom assistants tailored to your processes with security and immediate results.